Doctors are speechless. Just boil these two ingredients and you will quickly lose all of your body fat. Millions of women around the world dream of a fit figure and losing weight easily. However, this is a difficult task which requires a lot of dedication. Luckily, there are some natural ingredients that can accelerate your metabolism and help you lose weight without making big sacrifices in your lifestyle. For example, cinnamon combined with a proper diet and exercise can accelerate your metabolism and prevent food cravings, which will result in efficient weight loss. Continue reading below to learn how to prepare a recipe that will help you lose weight easily. Ingredients: 250 milliliters of water, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of honey. Preparation: boil the water in a pot, then add the cinnamon and simmer for a few minutes more. Afterwards, remove the pot from the heat, leave the drink to cool down, and add the honey. Drink half of the mixture in the evening, before going to bed and the other half in the morning. Continue with the process for a week and you will be amazed by the results. Honey contains certain enzymes and antioxidants which have beneficial effects on your body. Experts say that cinnamon is beneficial as well, as it can regulate your cholesterol levels and boost your metabolism, helping you lose weight naturally and effectively. A combination of the ingredients amplifies their effects, which results in more significant weight loss and will give you the figure you've always wanted.